have often puzzled and puzzled about what it must be like to go to sleep and never wake up, to be simply not there forever and ever. After all, one has some intimation of this by the interval that separates going to sleep from waking. When we don't have any dreams, but go to sleep, and then suddenly we're there again, and in the interim,
long white gown prepped for the surgery. Cut it out before it grows. Don't you know that this is your best bet? It's not quite cancer yet. I never thought that it'd be possible. Just things that happen to the old or to people you don't really know. I'm just managing expectations. The shock is something that numbs you up, like the northern lights from the solar wind. Sweeps us up and takes us in to an Eskimo's igloo. I've lost some weight these past few days. I've tried to sing, but it don't feel the same. The doctor's meds flow through my veins, but I'm still glad that you came. Magnetic storms cause the northern lights. If there's a God, that's how he smiles. You sink into the side of my bed, but it's not quite cancer yet. No, it's not quite cancer yet.
I think what is meant is that the vacuum created by the disappearance of a being, by the disappearance of his memory system, is simply filled by another being who is I, just as you feel. The funny thing though about being I, about feeling that one is sort of a center of the universe, is that you can only experience this I sensation in the singular. You can't experience being two or three eyes all at the same time. Now then, it seems to me that this idea has three very important consequences. One is that the disappearance of our memory is not really something to be regretted. Of course, everybody wishes to hold forever the memories of people, the situations that he particularly loves. But surely, if we think this through, is that what we actually want? Do we really want to have those we love, however greatly we love them, for always and always and always and always? Isn't it inconceivable that even in a very distant future, we wouldn't get tired of it? And this indeed is the secret of the thing. This is why the demon of impermanence is beneficent. Because it is forgetting about things that renews their wonder.